many pay la megwa atuma e pijo cycle ndabanyo all them on them abama ndaba Bob solo e Bob tampa ndabanyo baba tijo blow blow kiri biao wama se ochi bi bros awosaku tela banye dadi eti bros we machante ndaba chica bros of West Africa ndaba general important glass dealer, Mike merchandise, electronics dealer. John Anye, Pia one them. Anye Toyota Crown, woman, Omego. Edi Bansa, Edi Bansa, Edi Bansa, Isukama na Nigeria.
People's Club Odogu,
Ezefakanyi Jaga.
People's Club Odogu,
Ezefakanyi Jaga.
People's Club Odusa,
Ezefakanyi Jaga.
Nibuna,
Fada igirigada bukwananyo.
Nibuna,
Fada igirigada bukwananyo. Fada igirigada bukwananyo. Omeluko kulo People's Club Odogu. Omeluko kulo People's Club Odogu. People's Club Odusa, falulelo.
Tata no wa ai welunze nwokolo ndi chilejichi no ya ndi mala kwukwo juleju ndi nwelego igbo ne no wa sokwa ni ya bane nyalo mo gbe yaka ne jelo borozi owe bulibe kuru ka na eme ibu tunambo odogu de zolowa the national president, People's Club of Nigeria, Chief Dr. Chukwumo Obiaha, Akajugo one of Aaron Dizogo. Onyo magidula igabani begina diayema. Chief JSO Naroka Nuno Kibo of Oketiti. Ebu former chairman Lagos branch. Ebu patron People's Club of Nigeria. Chief FM Morono Oshago Boba. Ebu chairman Lagos branch. Chief PN Okonkwo Obaka. Daro Dena Mado 1 of Otu. First vice chairman Lagos branch. Onyo Mumena Sojinoke. Chief Titus Ike Mezoke. Onyima 1 of Amish. Founder National Patron People's Club of Nigeria. Chief G.H. Ikelo Duna Bulukwe of Oketiti. National Patron Chief Muhammadike Obieze Azu Kenya Funubi. National Patron Ayeno Ishie Mangrover G.A. Okonkwo, Third Vice National President People's Club of Nigeria. Ishie Isenyi of Umuoji Umu Nigeria Ji Freedom Bam na Zanza Wene Nyege Kene. Ishie Isenyi Sir Johnson Oigwe Ire Oketitino Patron elect People's Club of Nigeria. Mazi Chris Oji Umeche Nkenkenyi of Amici. Former Secretary Lagos branch Paul N. Manye Arubaleza Mafenuguku. Ebu Secretary Lagos branch Jesse Onyebuna Nnayelugo second of Nkwere. Financial Secretary Ayeno Chief R.C. Onyeje Orimili of Nnewi. Ebu Treasurer Ayeno Lagos branch Chief Mike Arinze Woken of Oketiti. First Vice National President Ishie Obiakukwe. Second Vice National President Oliver Nikokwe Neganono.
Fada, fada. Fada, fada. Fada, fada.
Ndibunna Ndibunna Bodogu.
Fada, fada.
Fada, fada. Ayi Melonze Mwokolo.
Fada, fada.
Chief
Fada, fada.
FBC Nwankwo
Fada, fada.
Osobia One of Nobia.
Fada, fada.
Fada, fada.
Fada, fada.
National Patron People's Club of Nigeria.
Fada, fada.
Chief C.I. Okoye
Fada, fada.
Nnakusie of Abatete.
Fada, fada.
Former legal advisor Ayeno
Fada, fada.
Prince
Fada, fada.
GNI
Fada, fada.
Okoyeze
Fada, fada.
Manta Male Nyinya of Nibo.
Fada, fada.
Legal advisor Ayeno Lagos branch
Fada,
Prince
fada.
JN Ezoke
Fada, fada.
Shiono Nenyi Oto Buluto Famishi Chief Dr. A.E. Lodibe Ogbebi nna ya logo ọnwa na-etile ọrọpụ Nnewi National Patron ekene dịlị Chukwu transport na Nnewi ekene ndị ụwa niile Chief Esi ọfọdụm Ishi okwelume Ikenga Amichi Executive member anyị nọ Chief CO Ezeagwu Ishi Esi of Nnọkwa Mgbọrọgwụ Ọjị
God of the hills and the valleys, God of the men and the puppies. I say God of the hills and the valleys, God of the men and the puppies. All sufficiency. With you there is no emergency. I say with you there is no emergency. You forgive my sins and grant me amnesty. You forgive my sins and grant me amnesty. Now you run out for me. You are a father and a friend. I call you my own bestie.